Vanguard Logistics Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're managing shipments, tracking inventory, or coordinating global logistics, the Vanguard Logistics app promises to simplify operations, but how effective is it in practice? One of the biggest pros is real-time tracking. Most people get this wrong by assuming logistics apps only provide basic shipment info. Vanguard Logistics allows users to track shipments from origin to destination, receive notifications on delays, and manage multiple carriers in one place. For example, businesses can monitor international freight, reducing uncertainty and improving planning. The app also centralizes communication. You can share updates with team members, create delivery notes, and manage customer queries from within the platform. This improves coordination and reduces errors caused by fragmented communication. Another advantage is analytics. Users can access reports on shipping times, costs, and carrier performance. This helps businesses make data-driven decisions, optimize routes, and reduce expenses, something that many logistics managers find invaluable. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional lag when updating large datasets or accessing detailed reports. The interface can feel complex to new users, and full functionality may require desktop access or premium accounts. Integration with third-party systems can also require technical setup. In conclusion, the Vanguard Logistics app is ideal for businesses needing real-time tracking, centralized communication, and analytics in their supply chain operations. The surprising truth is that while it's powerful, the learning curve and occasional performance issues mean it's best suited for professional or experienced users. For managing logistics efficiently and staying informed on shipments, Vanguard Logistics offers valuable tools, but expect some setup time and a bit of patience to get the most out of it.